What are some common air problems and how are they identified? Pure Air Control Services is back to help explain just that. Troy Raszka is along with Geoff Stone. Guys, how are you today?
We're doing good.
I mean, you always bring me some of the craziest things, Troy, but you know, you've been on here before and we've talked about testing the air quality and making sure your workplace or home is safe. Now we're actually showing what to do about it if it's not.
That's absolutely right. What we have here is a demonstration of what a dirty air conditioner coil looks like and then what a clean coil looks like and how they function differently. And especially how they function after we clean the coil with our PURE-Steam coil cleaning service.
I'll say, the thing that I just learned too, this is all safe, I want to point out right at the beginning, because we're actually just using steam. We're not talking about any other chemicals.
No chemicals at all, straight steam.
Straight steam. So let's go ahead and start demonstrating how you guys can clean up.
Okay, now, this anemometer will show you the difference between a coil that's dirty, has not been cleaned correctly.
Oof.
And you can tell there's zero airflow going across the coil. Now, this is not just because of bad coil cleaning, but it's also because of insufficient filtration. So if the unit's not filtered properly, dirt's going to get into the coil and get impacted. Now, you try to clean it with straight coil cleaner, all it does is push all the dirt inside. So with our PURE-Steam process, we heat this coil up with steam up to 350 degrees. And what that does is it breaks down all the sediment and then washes it out of the coil. And at the same time, it's hygienic, so it takes care of that.
Jeff, you were saying how, you don't even necessarily think about your air conditioning. You might want it cleaned, but if you don't clean it, it's pushing all of that back up into your air and
everything back in there. And the problem is when everything in the coil, air's not getting through, so the house is never going to cool down. So in turn, your energy bills are going to go up. Once you clean the coil, air flows right back through.
So this is definitely a twofold reason why you need to get this stuff cleaned.
Yes, and if you switch it to the other side, after our PURE-Steam process, you will see that you get all your airflow back and your energy savings.
Wow. Okay, and Troy, what I've really enjoyed about learning about Pure Air Control is that your company actually has the different divisions. So talk a little bit about this division specifically.
Well, Building Remediation Sciences takes all of the information that the previous two divisions that we talked about, that would be Building Diagnostics and the Environmental Diagnostic Laboratory. They take all the data and the results collected, and then they know what to do. They come in and they say, well, the air conditioner is clogged up. It's growing things like mold and algae and is putting it into the environment. So we'll bring this PURE-Steam in to steam the coil out. It kills all the microbes that are in the coil that are growing, and it also, as Jeff said, improves the energy of the building. So not only are the occupants of the building more healthy, the building itself is more healthy. It's operating at its maximum efficiency.
I like places that's kind of like the one-stop shop. And is it fair to say that you guys, your company is a one-stop shop?
We are full service in air quality.
I was going to say, and just, I mean, it's really easy, and you make it easy with the results, and now you come out and help the customers.
That's true. Absolutely.
I make sure I can wrap my hands around it, because again, there's so much information about this, but this is so important to get across.
It absolutely is important to get across, because your indoor environment, your indoor air quality, it affects you everywhere you go. There's been studies that say that 90% of our time is spent indoors. So we need to really pay attention and take care of that environment.
Okay, and as always, what is the best way to get a hold of you if people at home want to try, or people in their workplace want to give this a go? Well,
you can go to our website, pureaircontrols.com, and it has more than enough information on all of these divisions and what they can do for you.
Wow, again, we really appreciate your time. Thanks for becoming a friend of the Morning Blend.
Thanks.